Hey Francis, it's Rodrigo. In this video, I just wanted to show you some of the basic functionality for your website. So basically, to manage your website, you want to go to this URL right here, /wp-login.php, or also you can just go to wp-admin. It'll take you to the same place. As you can see, this is my local version, so none of the changes that I do during this video will reflect on the preview of the website. But basically, I can log in using my username and password. Once I'm in, this is the dashboard for WordPress. And the two things that you want to keep in mind is that the content is organized into pages and posts. So, for example, if I wanted to create a new page, all I have to do is go to Pages, Add New, and then I can just call this Test Page, and I can add my content here. So, for example, like that, and say I wanted to link to a PDF, I can also add a link here. So link to PDF. I'm gonna copy the text because that's what I want the file to display. And then I'm gonna go into this media manager right here. And you can see that we have some of the videos already uploaded and some of the PDFs. So I could just choose an existing PDF and I'm gonna replace the title with the text that I want the link to display. So I'm gonna paste it right there, insert into page, and now this link will link to the PDF. I can also link to a separate website. So for example, if I wanted this bit of text to link to Google, all I have to do is use the tools here, insert the link, and I can just paste the link from the clipboard, or I can just go to something like google.com and paste it here. If I wanted to link to a page within the website, I could do something like this. For more information, contact us. And then I could link the text that says contact us to the contact us page by doing this. And then in the link options, it actually gives me the option to link to existing content on the website. So this website doesn't have a contact us page, but say we wanted to link to publications. As I search, the list will narrow down and it would give me the option to link to that page. I can also choose to link and open in a new tab. And then finally, I can just set the page to publish. So the page now exists as part of the WordPress pages. And you can see the page right here. Once I'm logged in, WordPress has this very helpful admin bar at the top. So even if I go back to the website, there's a few quick shortcuts that I like to use very often. So if I wanted to edit this page, I can just click on this link right here and say I wanted to add an image. I can just go into the media manager again and say I wanted to add this particular cover of a magazine. I can insert it into the page. There are some extra options here. I can change the size if I want to. If I want to make it into a thumbnail, I can float it to the right or to the left. I'm gonna leave it to the right, and I could link to a custom URL if I wanted to as well. So we can link this to, or let's just say Google for the sake of example. Insert it into the page, and now the page is here and is inserted as a thumbnail. If I click on the page, I can also edit the properties and say I wanted to change it from a thumbnail to a full size. I can just hit update and then click update to update the actual page. The rest of the options for the text editor are very self-explanatory. It's just a text editor with some basic text formatting. So I could add, for example, a quote if I wanted to. by adding a new paragraph and say I wanted to make it a little bit shorter. I can just change the text, then select it and mark this as a quote, like so. I could change the color. I could give it some extra styling. I can add a horizontal rule, which is just a break, like so. And etc. Right? Sometimes you'll see the editor like this, without showing all of the tools to display them all. You just have to click on this icon right here, toggle the toolbar. You can insert these special characters. You can paste as text. You can clear the formatting if you paste it from Word. This is a good idea because Word comes with a bunch of additional tags. So, just copying and pasting, sometimes you have to clear the formatting. So keep that in mind. But anyways, I'm going to update the page as it is. And now that the page exists, I can actually add a menu item to be able to go to this page. And to do that, what I want to go is go into the menu section of the website. This is the fastest way I find to get to it. And once you're logged in, you can just go into this drop down and go into the menus page. Or the other way to get to it from the dashboard is to go into Appearance, Menus. And we get to the same place. So right now there's only one menu, which is the main menu. If I wanted to add the new page that I just created into the menu, I can add it to the menu like so. I just selected it. And now the page will appear at the bottom of the menu items list. And I can drag it to the location where I want it. So if I want this to be a child of About Us at the top, I can simply drag the page here. I can also edit some of the options for the page, mainly really the text I wanted to display without affecting the page reference. So this is pretty handy. So say here I wanted to say something else. So about our test page. I can edit the content and then just save my menu, my changes. Once the menus once the changes are saved, I can go back into the website and you'll see that the test page is now a link under the About Us section. Pretty neat, eh? So that basically covers the basic functionality as far as creating a new page goes. As you can see, it's very simple. I'll make a separate video just covering the publications as they are a little bit different. But I hope this video was helpful and you'll hear from me soon again. Thanks and have a great night.